60 years ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಸಹ ಬರೋರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ.
I really like kind of breaking this hot air from the puri. Drinking Kashaya daily in my routine. Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Hog and Off with AK.
Please follow my brother.
So today we are back in Hubli, and as you know, this is Pavan and he is my uncle. We have come to have some crazy breakfast here. We are near Vidyanagar. The place is called Gurudatta Bhavan, and this is what it looks like. So it is really familiar with Hubli. You get some good puris is what I have heard. So today Pavan and my uncle have bought me here for some crazy breakfast. Let us go inside and see what it is and why is it so famous and why are they obsessed of this puri. I'm not sure why. Let us go and check it out.
You will enjoy. Enjoy.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ದುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಂದವರು. ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಬೆದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಹೋಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1950 ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗೆ ತಾವೇ ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ತಾವೇ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡೋದು ಇಂತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಚ್, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಥರ ಹೋಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಭಾಳ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅದು. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ರೋಡು, ಮಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1958ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ 1994ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಪುರಿದು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಿದ್ರು ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ.
Puri 1958
1958 ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಅದು. ಹೌದು. ಬಾಂಬೆದಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಪಾತಾಳ ಬಾಜಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಡಿಕೆ ಕಾಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪುರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 250 ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ 300-350 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪುರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
ಪುರಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಪ್ ಟು 1 o'clock, 8 o'clockನಿಂದ 1 o'clock ವರೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮಿಸಲ್ ಫೇಮಸ್.
ಮಿಸಲ್, ಮಸಾಲ ಖಾರ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದ, ಬೋಂಡಾ ಸೂಪು.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಂತೀರಿ. Let us go explore in the kitchen what exactly do they have, and then so you have 2 grades of cleaning. That is really good. Okay, so that is where the puris are made, correct? Oh my god, look at them. So if someone gives me this puri, why wouldn't I have it? I'll have 2 plates of it. Look at them, so crispy, so hot. So we have got this famous Puri Kurma here. I have been told the Kurma is really famous, and I guess it is because of the texture, it is because of the way that is being prepared. So it is normally green if you see the other places, but this is red. And see the texture, you have some good amount of oil mixed with water, and then you have some crazy vegetables with the thickness of coconut grates. So this is something new, and this kurma is making the Puri and Gurudatta Bhavan really famous in Hubli. I really like kind of breaking this hot air from the Puri. This is kind of fills a joy, a small kiddish character that really comes out of everyone. The Puri is good, it's not that oily, it's really good. Now let us have the first bite of kurma. Wow. You have some potatoes and onions. The onion is smashed. It's really cut to the smallest, which is giving you the best flavor. And on top of that you have tomato that is grinded, which is tomato paste or tomato puree, and then on top of that they have made it a bit healthy by adding some millets and green grams. Have some sweet tangy flavor that bursts out in your mouth when you're gulping the vegetables. This is something new which I haven't experienced anywhere. So this is kind of, I guess this is the reason Gurudatta Bhavan has become really famous, and it is famous from the time it was started since 1958. Oh my god, that's really long. Let me finish this. Also, let me have this with some chutney. Let's see how is that tasting. It's not that extraordinary. It is the normal chutney that we have, but it's really good. It is kind of giving you some spicy taste along with the sweet tanginess that you get with kurma. Let me finish this and go to the next dish. Stay tuned. So now we have got something called as misal, which is actually an evening snack. So they add so many ingredients that you get confused to even think of what is the taste that you're getting. So this is the specialty of the misal. But this will be kind of prepared only in the evenings. Now that I have requested them that I need one plate of it, so they have prepared only one plate for me in the breakfast. But let us taste what is this, how is this, and what is this made up of. Let us dissect this whole misal and check it out. What exactly is this made up of, and why does this give so much of taste? Okay, I can see some good amount of oil here. Let me kind of mix it well. So this is called as ghati. This is made up of gram flour, which is fried in oil. So this is like very crunchy. See, this is too crunchy. And you can see some kurma here, filled with onions and tomatoes. Let me just mix it up, because I have been advised to kind of mix it up well before I eat, otherwise I don't get the right taste of the misal. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow. Are there any breadcrumbs in this? Oh yeah, there are breadcrumbs. Dude, this is a chakli. So the softness of bread is kind of giving you more easier way to eat this, but at the same time you're getting the hardness of chakli, which is coming with good amount of oil, and the tamarind tanginess. Finish me full, then I'll let you know what are the all tastes I have, is what this dish is telling me. Every bite is giving me a new flavor. Now this is giving me more tomatoes and coconut. I'll finish this and see if there is anything else that is really famous here in Gurudatta Bhavan. Wait and watch. Now we are having, you can see this is a beverage, but actually this is a bit different. Usually people have tea or coffee after their breakfast, but here I am having Kashaya. So this is how it looks, white in color. So what exactly this is made up of is that you had some good amount of spices, which at the end of the day is really good for your immunity as well. Let me take a sip and see what is it that it has. Oh wow. Oh wow. So there's a good amount of ginger. That is the first taste that I got, and it is making the whole, this part is like it's becoming hot as it is entering inside. It is that good. It has some coriander seeds, it has some amount of jeera, and it has some amount of cloves as well. So all of these made together as a powder. They have boiled it in milk, added with some amount of sugar, and they have given this. This is really good, man. I'll see if I can get some powder here, and I'll definitely have this habit of drinking Kashaya daily in my routine. So he's actually telling the Kashaya pudi here is their own recipe, and it is homemade. So this is kind of something new. Otherwise you find all these things only in Shirsi, Uttar Kannada places. But this is something new that you can find in Hubli. Try a small packet. This is of just 45 rupees. This is just for 100 grams. You can check it out, and then definitely I'm sure you will come and take a kg of it. Quick chat with Mr. Darshan, and we'll ask how does he feel about this.
ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂದಿ ಜಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ
ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ
ನಾನು 7 ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್
ಒಟ್ಟು 1000 ಮಂದಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ 1000 ಮಂದಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ
Thanks, Ray. You just heard that right. You have 1000 customers walking. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ crowd ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? ನಮ್ದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರು ಭಾಳ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕ್ರೌಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋರು ಅವ್ರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಘು ಅಂತ.
ರಾಘು?
ರಾಘು.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
8 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು. 7th ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ಬರೋದು.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ?
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಪುರಿ ಚಾ, ಪುರಿನ ಚಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಹೊಸ ಡಿಶ್?
ಹಾಂ, ಹೊಸ ಡಿಶ್. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಬಂದ ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಊರಿಂದ ಬಂದಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ಗುರುರಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ಗುರುರಾತ್ ಭವನ್ ಈಗ ಮಿಸ್ರಾಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay, so the breakfast was, oh my god, too good. One, and it was so much stomach filling, man. You just had some 2 puris and a small portion of misal, and the Kashaya pudi, that Kashaya powder that I showed you, and the Kashaya made out of it was really good. I have in fact bought 200 grams of Kashaya powder. It is really good. If you guys are here around, you must try the puri and Kashaya. That is must try. And the misal in the evening will be really good. So what did you feel? You are a regular guy, so you are someone who will be visiting. So how did you feel?
ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 30 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ 15 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಲೋ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಈ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಷ್ಟು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ನೀವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ತಮಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಂದು ಇದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. Enjoy. Thank you.
So we are signing off, having Pavan on my side. So we will explore more food places. This time in Hubli it is only about food. I am doing nothing. I'll just have food and I get fatter. That's it. Okay, until next place where Pavan and my uncle is taking. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next vlog.